are done. Let's rip this cactus off. You want to see it? All right, we're going to rip this off, but first we want some stars in our night sky. And we look at that. Oh, that's great.
Wow. Really pretty. Nice when they get a little bit fainter down here.
Cool, right?
Very cool.
All right, you ready to see our sunset?
Yep, let's rip it off.
I'm going to throw some of this dark green right here, and we're just going to try and give our desert a little bit of texture here, which is nice. You know, we've got some nice brown, but we want to get that just because we're about to reveal our cactus. We want a cool desert scape here. Cool?
Wow, very cool.
All right, here we go.
Great. Let's see it.
So now let's take a look. I want you to see how clean.
Wow.
Look how clean our lines are here, okay?
That's great.
So I'm going to just try and get in here without peeling. Yeah, where do we got? Yeah, let's go right here. Ah.
Yep. Yep.
Look at how clean those lines
So
are.
good.
We're going to end up with a very cool cactus. I'm going to start to peel. See that? I can start to peel like this. I want you to see what our refrigerator is going to look like. It's going to be amazing.
No one else is going to have one like this.
No. Also, the waiting period for refrigerators now. Okay, you ready? Yeah, hold that one. Hold that one. I'll get this one. We'll do this all at once. This is great. You ready?
Okay, ready? Yep, let's see
Count
it.
of 3. Here we go. 1. Okay, I'm going to get this from the bottom here. Yeah, one. There we go. Okay. Yeah. Okay, I'll get this one from the bottom. And then that one.
Great.
Yeah, perfect. Here we go. 1. And just pull them all off straight off. That'll be great. Cool. 1, 2, 3.